Hey guys, it's Victoria Alexandra here. If you are new,
What it do, baby? Yeah.
If you are a returning subscriber, hey cuz, how's it going? In today's video, I have this very pretty, simple, and easy brown smoky eye. I think it is very cute and perfect for Thanksgiving because, you know, we all love to throw on makeup, get dressed, just so we can sit in the living room and take pictures.
That's the dumbest thing I've ever heard in my life.
Okay, but if you're interested in seeing how this look was created, just keep on watching. This look is like super easy. I literally used 2 shades for this look. I took the James Charles palette. First shade I went into is No Beans, and using the M167, I am just going to pat that all over the lid. Blend out the edges with this Morphe 507. Next shade is 10% off, and I'm just going to blend out No Beans with this color. Just going back into No Beans to tap some more on there. And further blend that out with 10% off. And I'm going to place So Good as my brow bone highlight. I'm just going to do me a wing using the Epic Ink Liner by NYX. Lashes, I'm gonna take these lashes I got from AliExpress. I do not remember the style, but if I can find it, I'll link them down below. So that is literally it for the eyes. I'm about to do my face real quick. Not really gonna be talking about any of these products because I use the same products all the time. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. For those who are gonna ask about the hair, this is the same wig from my summer makeup routine video, and I will link it down below. So of course, if you made it this far, then you already know. Baby girl, we're family.
Hey, auntie.
So cousin, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every single time your girl uploads. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.